Good morning. It's math time, guys. You have been working with flat shapes this week. We call those 2D shapes. Yesterday, I challenged you with the task of seeing different ways that you could make a hexagon, and you were building those hexagons using triangles and trapezoids. Today, I told you that you needed to hold on to those other shapes that were on your shape sheet. So today I'm going to challenge you with using more of those shapes. Okay. I don't care. It doesn't matter which shapes. It doesn't matter if you use uh, 4 hexagons and 2 triangles and 3 or 4 trapezoids. It doesn't matter which arrangement that you use, but you're going to cut out 10 shapes. Okay. You can use 10 shapes and you're going to build something with it. Okay. I'm going to challenge you to build a boat with those 10 shapes. All right. So choose 10 shapes on that sheet, and I cut several out myself, and I can't find where I put the rest of the sheet. But when I cut the rest of mine out, there are other shapes on there that we didn't even use yesterday, and you may use those today. So there's also a parallelogram, okay, that you could use. And I cut out 2 parallelograms when I was going through mine. I got a square here, trapezoid. No, sorry, this is a hexagon. And here's my trapezoid. And I have another triangle over here. So I've got an assortment of shapes. I actually don't think I have 10 there. I have 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I have 7. So I need to cut 3 more shapes out. But you're going to use 10 shapes to build a boat. Okay. And you can arrange these shapes yourself. You can play with it in different ways. You might be able to show me a couple different boats, arrangements that you're able to make using your 10 shapes. And then I'm going to ask that you draw it in your math journal. And there is a follow-up question that goes with that. And it says, make sure I'm on the right day. Not. And the follow-up question says, using what you know about tens, how many pattern blocks would you need to make 2 boats? Explain it in your math journal. So think about what you know. If you're using these 10 blocks to create this boat, how many blocks would you need to create a second boat? All right. And then complete the exit ticket for day 36 on page 10, which we'll look at in a second. And I think that's it. All right. So have a great time with this task. I do know that your exit ticket asks you to create a tree. It says use pattern blocks to build a tree. Draw a picture of the tree below or in your journal. All right, and they've got an example of something they've got right there. So have fun with these blocks today, guys. I know they're just paper cutouts, but they're just like the pattern blocks that we have in class, and I have seen the wonderful designs that you guys can do, and I know you guys can really be creative. So if you make a really cool boat, which actually I know you're all going to make a really cool boat, please send me pictures. Fill up our Facebook page with some of these pictures of your boats today, guys. I would love to see them. All right. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.